right, we've been talking about it all week, and after midnight tonight, that's when the system that's going to bring us rain and possibly snow will move in. So as we take a step back and kind of assess what we're expecting tomorrow, here are the big picture items. Number one, it's still going to remain a mainly cold rain for most of us for a good part of the day. The rain-snow line looks to set up around I-85. That's as it comes down out of Virginia, cuts through our northern border counties, cuts through Durham and Orange County. Around there in areas north, best chances of seeing snow. Some changes in the past 24 hours since I talked to you last night. It now looks like our highest snow totals, instead of being about an inch, could be about 2 inches still northwest of the triangle. And it also now looks like that everyone could see a little bit more snow because of a burst of snow Friday night as the system departs. So the questions with the forecast that'll make or break it. How much snow are we going to get Friday night? How long is it going to last? And how heavy is it going to be? Once we get into nighttime, snow accumulates differently than it does during the day. So that, along with some refreezing and some black ice Saturday morning, are the big question marks and the big concerns heading into tomorrow. So how do we get there? Well, as we head into tonight, we'll stay dry. The clouds will thicken up. Precipitation will start to move in from the south about 2 a.m. and then it'll spread over the area, and the rain and snow chances go up, all as our temperatures fall through the 30s. So some new information today, and one of the reasons why tomorrow is a winter alert day, we need to keep an eye on this snow and possible conditions on area roads, is we have a winter weather advisory for a good portion of the area. Now, winter weather advisories are issued with the specifics that these areas could see up to 2 inches of snow. That does not mean everyone's going to see 2 inches of snow, but from Wake County on west and Wake County on north, winter weather advisories in those areas. The precipitation falling could cause some travel hazards. Still, most of the snow, if you want good amounts of snow, you're going to have to get in the car and drive to the west. And here's how we expect it all to look tonight at 10 o'clock. We're still dry. Here comes the moisture. I also stuck the temperature up there just because I want to remind everyone that it's going to be cold tomorrow. We're not going to get out of the 30s. So 2 a.m., here it is. The moisture beginning to fall as rain down in the sandhills. Now, the first couple of minutes could actually be a rain-snow mix, but then mainly rain in the sandhills. That will reach the triangle about 4 a.m. Again, could start off as a snow-sleet mix, but then as the rain continues to push north, as you see here, spreading up to our Virginia border counties up to I-85 around 6 a.m., after a while, it'll be a mainly rain event. And then from mid-morning, you can see through lunchtime, we might get some of the precipitation to let up for a bit. But look, it's mainly cold rain. Mainly cold rain through 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Mainly cold rain up until dinner time. Then on the back edge, this is that burst of snow as the system is departing as we get into Friday night. That could start to accumulate, maybe even on some area roads, but not several inches, just an inch or two. And then as we get into the overnight hours, the system departs and we'll be left with dry weather as we head into the weekend. So again, now 1 to 2 inches up along I-85, maybe up to an inch along the triangle, with mainly rain and barely a trace of snow down in the sandhills. So that's why we're on alert for tomorrow. The event will be throughout the day. A drier weekend with some rain and maybe some snow Monday into Tuesday. Nothing significant, but most of your 10-day forecast next week remains dry and in the 50s.